Hey guys, Rio here with a little bit of a Ghostbusters related unboxing. Well, I guess it's an unbagging. So I went to go see Frozen Empire last night, and you know the different chains are kind of giving you different cool stuff, right? So I went to Regal, and Regal is offering a Ghost Trap popcorn bucket. So I had to get one. Take a look at it and we'll see what we think, right? And I did open the bag up last night because I just couldn't help myself. But, so this is what you get. You can get it without the popcorn, by the way. I told them I didn't want the popcorn, I just wanted the thing. So it was no big deal. It's like $5 or something to get the popcorn. I forget what the price was on this now. I honestly didn't even ask. I just handed my credit card and took one. But when you open it up, so the bag has all the instructions, so similar to a box, tells you how you can change your batteries and all that, so that's kind of cool. Yes, it has batteries, it does stuff. So, there's your trap, right? It's pretty cool, actually. Got some nice details on it. The knobs don't really do anything. This one turns, but it doesn't do anything. But then you just open it up. Got the plastic seal here. Thank you. Ta-da! Right? Opens right up, latches down, and there's a little latch right here. It's a little button. You pop it open. So that's kind of cool. And it just locks back down again. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. The detail on it's pretty fun. Like, I can dig that, right? Oh, and dig this. Once you open it back up again. Okay, so there's a handle. So you can actually do like the Ghostbuster handle on it, right? So you can have it there for the trap. So you can actually have it almost like a prop, right? Oh, it's got wheels. It's got wheels on it. It's pretty cool, right? I'm excited. I regret nothing. I'm going to assemble it later. Oh, but I got to show you what the lights do. Little battery tab here. Look. When you open it up, I'll come closer. When you open it up, the lights come on. Right? So the thing lights up and does fun stuff, right? And you just, the lights just kind of go off on their own. Like they'll just stay on for like a minute or so, and then they turn off again. I'm gonna put that tab back in a sec. But anyway, yeah, they just go off. So it's kind of fun, you guys. It's a viable prop, actually. It's got cosplay opportunity, like absolutely. Now I know there's another cinema chains offering a similar one, and I did see that one. I saw some pictures of that one. The difference with that one is it apparently has some big, like, kind of like the light coming out. It's a big plastic sort of thing. That's where all the popcorn goes in. So when it's sitting open with that, it looks like it's the light coming out of the trap. It's kind of cool. This one doesn't do that. But I like it. Like I said, I didn't even look at the price. I just bought one. But you can get it without the popcorn if you don't want food in it, which is like I did with the Ecto one the other year for Afterlife. So guys, yeah, I want to try to get some of the other ones from the other theaters. Once I find a Cinemark so I can get the popcorn tin. But by the way, guys, there's tons of stuff. Regal has like t-shirts. They have like the metal buckets for like the large popcorn. They've got like drink cups. There's all kinds of amazing merch that the theaters all have. So you're looking to buy Ghostbuster stuff at the theater when you go to see Frozen Empire, man, you can do it. But yeah, this was the Ghost Trap from Regal. I like it. It's pretty straightforward. It's pretty simple. Wasn't that kind of expensive, I don't think. Like I said, honestly, I didn't look at the price. I just grabbed one. But you can get it without popcorn, so it can be food free. So yeah, if you're looking to get one, that's what they look like. And they have little lights and stuff in it. It's got a little handle you can put on it, and the detail is pretty decent. The details are pretty decent. So yeah, there you go. Ghost Trap unboxing from Regal Cinemas. Peace.